Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to make some spicy Italian sausage, hot Italian sausage, peppers and onions. I already cut it up so I don't take all day. And some baked beans in my crock pot. I'm gonna throw in some little these little bitty tomatoes in there too. So let's lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. There it is. And today I'm using my Super Old Hamilton Beach slow cooker. I don't know why I want to call everything a crock pot, but this is a slow cooker because it's by Hamilton Beach. Okay, I'm using my liner. I put a little water down here below the liner. Okay, I'm putting in my onions and stuff on the bottom. I just cut them like this. Bell peppers. I got green, red, and orange bell peppers. I'm going to add these tomatoes. I washed these little bitty tomatoes. Okay, and I'm gonna mix some of my Trinity out of this. I gotta add some celery. Okay, I'm gonna rinse these off. Anytime I can wash meat, then I do it. Of course, you can't wash hamburger or cube steak, but you can rinse off stuff like this. Let me smell it. Smells good. So I'll be back. Okay, just rinse these off. I'm gonna add some water, just a little water. I'm gonna season these vegetables. Oh, this is jollof rice seasoning. This is Italian seasoning. I'm gonna sprinkle some of this on top of the meat. Also, the sunshine seasoning. Pepper. It's coming out. Sometimes I can't see it coming out. And so what's this? Let's splash this on me. What's this here sauce? Just a little. Now I'm gonna put the beans in here. I'm gonna put the meat on top of the vegetables. 5 Italian sausage. Put some Italian seasoning on top of the meat. And put the beans on top of everything. red beans on top. Okay. Show y'all how it looks. This is how it looks. The beans are covering everything. I'm adding barbecue sauce on top of everything so it can just trickle down. Okay, I put the lid on and pull it away from the wall and make sure it's not sitting on the cord. I don't want to burn the cord up. Okay, I set it on high. That ain't high. I set it on high for about 4 hours, maybe 3. Okay, y'all, my food has been cooking for 3 hours. I started at 210, now it's 510. I put it on high. What is this? High for 3 hours, and it looks done. I mean, I'm just concerned about the meat. Is the meat done? You know what? I'm going to go and get my meat thermometer to make sure. Oh my goodness, look at the peppers and little tomatoes. Oh my goodness. I'll be back. Yes, the meat is done. Okay. Oh yes, I love all these colors and those tomatoes. So this is my spicy hot, no, it's a spicy Italian sausage. Different color bell peppers and red onion and those little tomatoes. I'm gonna dish me up. And baked beans. I'm gonna dish me up my dish, the same dish as I eat soup in. And I'll be back. Dished up my bowl right there. Look at that. Got me a little piece of this lavash bread. Now this meal is about 50 carbs. I'm gonna taste it. I have no idea what all this tastes like. Okay, I'm gonna cut the meat. Should put it in a plate, huh? Oh, the meat is so tender. Sausage is done. I'm just dropping stuff. I don't know what fell. This is good. Put a little barbecue sauce on the meat. Oh my goodness. Sausage and peppers always go well together. No water's just gonna get the meat and the beans. It's gonna bypass all the peppers and the onions and tomatoes are chopped up in here. But I like it, and I need this kind of stuff. So, oh, I see that bean over there. It fell. So I want to thank you all for watching me fix this spicy hot Italian sausage, baked beans, different color bell peppers and tomatoes and onions. It's good, y'all. We could have made this better. I could have sliced up the sausage. So I'm going to cut it up anyway. I'm not going to eat it as a sandwich. Oh, and this is about 50 carbs. Because I'm trying not to go over 50 carbs per day. So this is my first time eating. I mean, I can go over 50 a day, but I try not to. Because if I get hungry again, I'm going to eat something else. At least I ain't grabbing no pile of breaded fried chicken and cake and ice cream and stuff like that. So I consider this a carb healthy meal. It got all this good stuff in it. If you like onions and bell peppers and tomatoes and all that, it's in here. Plus, the doctor said I need some omega-3. The bread is loaded with omega-3. The lavash bread. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. It's 5:22 p.m. on Monday. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Bye.